As always, the DA corrected results are now live on the fast list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and a comment below. Our merch store is up and running, so go check out some of the designs, and if it tickles your fancy, help a brother out by grabbing a cool hoodie or t-shirt. And if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to check out some of my other stuff. I produce all sorts of high quality cinematic car content, so if that's your jam, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon for new episodes every Thursday. Thanks for watching.